You guys, it's been a while. I haven't done a smoky eyes. This is the eyeshadow palette that I have from NYX, and this is what I am going to use to do my smoky eye. So I'm gonna start off with this color here. So this is my color that I have on my eyes, my smoky eye look. I haven't do a smoky eye in a while, like long time ago. So what I do today, I use this color. First, this was the color I use, and my lid, and then I go over with the gold here, and that's why you see it look like black and gold. And then I still go over it with this dark shade back over the gold to make sure that I have this eye look. So this is it, and then I use this here and I put it above here so I can also blend out the hash line from the dark color. So this is what it looked like, you guys. And this eyeshadow palette is from NYX, and it's Tiger Energy, you guys. I have this for a while and all forgot about it, so I went back today to recreate a look from it. This is it. So please like, share, and do comment, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.